Hey, what's up Bittorrent holders? So this is the latest update of Bittorrent coin, my friends, to what's going on and this time in the Bittorrent change, what's the change occur and what's the price prediction. Let's get started this brand video. I request to my brother to please click out the subscribe button before I get started video, because this channel is update you every time, every hour this channel is update you. So kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Alright my friends, this time I already opened the last 20-hour chart. So this is the latest update, and please don't skip this video because I already show you the first week of this month. This is very important, the first week, to know about the first week change occurred, because this is the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down to what's the reason. I already tell you my friend. This time you can see here the latest current, you can see here the current change occur as 4.68%. they're moving up. So I think this is very good, because this is the start now. The change occur is in positive, because this is the start now, second week of this month. So I think the change occur is in positive. So congratulations everyone, today starting now in positive, and they're moving up like a rocket. So thank you so much holder to you hold it. Please, if you are a holder, then absolutely they're moving up. The price is increased now. This time the price is 0.00821 US dollar, and the price is increased now in the last 2 hours. So if you check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart in the first week of this month, my friend, to what's going on, my friend, this is very important. All right, so this time I already opened, and oh my goodness, I can't believe it, my friend. Dogecoin, one of the viral coins, especially very badly fails down in the first week of this month. All over the world, my friend, Dogecoin falls viral, my friend. But I can't believe, I can't expect, my friend, this time to Bittorrent change occur is in positive and 23.09%. I can't believe it, today change occur is in positive. I cannot expect this, my friend. You can see here, this is the start at the end of this week, my friend. They take a long jump. So I think this time the price is increased very fastly. So I think this is one big reason, my friend, today take a good jump to people, especially holders, or hold it, don't sell it. So I think this is the one big reason, and otherwise all cryptocurrencies very badly fails down at the start of month. So therefore, my friend, I told you, my friends, to please hold it. If you hold it just at the end of this month, I hope they make you millionaire and they give you very good profit. So thanks for watching. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire, and please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.